Ahrefs Letaido and Agent A. We tested the AI marketing agent on real Feisworld content. Most SEO tools are very good at giving you information. They can show you that traffic declined, a keyword has moved, or a backlink disappeared. But information is only the beginning. Someone still has to open the reports, compare the numbers, and decide what matters, build a plan, and remember to do the same work again next month. That is the problem Ahrefs is trying to address with Agent A and Letaido. This video is sponsored by Ahrefs, and we're given access to test the product using real Feisworld data. The naming can be slightly confusing. Ahrefs describes Agent A as its AI marketing agent, and Agent A runs inside Letaido, which is the cloud platform and persistent workspace behind it. The simplest explanation, I guess, is Agent A is the agent. Letaido is the workspace where the agent builds and runs things. Inside Letaido, you have more than a chat window. The workspace includes areas for chats, skills, apps, internal console, tools, public sites, browser activity, automation, downloads, and controls and saved knowledge. But Letaido can turn the answer into persistent reports, dashboards, internal tools, files, and public pages. The difference is between answering versus doing. On the first day of every month, collect our traffic, ranking, backlinks, and top pages, then build a report, save it, and send a summary to Slack. The idea is that the agent can connect the tools, create the report, schedule the task, and keep the result available to the team. One of the most useful features for beginners is the skills library. Letaido skills are saved workflows for specific marketing jobs. During our test, we saw skills for declining content detection, content gaps, broken link building, keyword cannibalization, and other SEO and AI visibility tasks. So you can also build custom skills around your own process. For example, your brand voice, client report format, editorial checklist, or publishing requirement. For our first test, we intentionally avoided writing a detailed prompt. So we typed, "Help me identify stale content that was performing well and I should update ASAP." That was it. We wanted to see whether the agent would make assumptions or help us define the task. This question may look simple, but each option creates a completely different content refresh list. So we select the pages whose estimated organic traffic had declined the most compared to an earlier period. Letaido then assessed our Feisworld data through Ahrefs, compared current performance with the earlier period, and then built a reusable report inside the console. The report found 16 pages with meaningful estimated traffic losses and separated them into 3 priority tiers. The report included each URL, the previous and the current traffic estimate, its leading keyword, search volume, ranking position, and a short explanation for the recommendation. The chat summary was helpful, but the persistent console report was much better. We could revisit it, share it with our team, add more information, or potentially turn it into a scheduled audit. It became a review queue rather than another AI conversation we would forget about. Did it find the right articles? The answer is yes, but with an important qualification. Letaido was using Ahrefs' estimated organic traffic. That is not the same thing as actual Google Search Console clicks. So we cross-checked the 3 highest priority pages against our first-party Search Console data. All 3 had declined year over year, but the additional data changed how we interpreted the recommendations. The hair care for swimming article showed a real and substantial decline. That looked like a legitimate refresh candidate. The best AI job search websites article also declined, but its actual Search Console click volume was relatively small. It may not be as urgent as the Ahrefs estimate initially made it appear. And transfer large files in China lost a significant number of clicks, even though its average Google position improved. That tells us the issue may not simply be the article needs better SEO. Search demand may have changed. The type of queries may have changed. Google may now answer part of the question directly on the search results page. That is why I would use Letaido to create a review queue, not an automatic publishing queue. So here's what Letaido did well. First, it transformed a vague request into a specific analysis by asking a useful question. Second, it used live Feisworld information rather than giving us generic content refresh advice. Third, it built a reusable report instead of leaving the work inside the chat. Fourth, the priority tiers made the recommendations easy to scan. And fifth, Letaido's native Ahrefs connection did not consume the normal API unit allowance attached to our Ahrefs account. The last point really matters to us because Feisworld also uses Ahrefs API in our own custom operating system. Here's a second test and an honest failure. We also tried a pre-built AI citation freshness audit. The goal was to find Feisworld pages being cited by AI platforms and identify information that might be outdated. The skill asked us which pages and AI platforms to include, and it created a secure authentication step for our Ahrefs account. But during the test, the workflow encountered a Cloudflare challenge while trying to retrieve brand radar information. It did not invent an answer. Instead, it identified the problem, waited, retried, and then offered to try again later or create a scheduled check. We cannot independently confirm exactly where that Cloudflare challenge originated, but I appreciated the behavior, which is that an agent that clearly reports a failure is much more useful than one that quietly produces questionable data. At the time of our July 2026 test, Letaido started at $99 per month. The base subscription includes one medium workspace, unlimited team members, and $50 per month in AI credits. An Ahrefs subscription is separate. Additional AI usage may require credit top-offs, and additional workspaces have separate monthly prices. So the final AI cost of a workflow depends on the model you select, how much data it processes, and how much research and revision steps it performs. The workspace gave us access to models from several providers, so you can choose a lower cost model for simpler work and a stronger reasoning model when needed. At Feisworld, our long-term preference is still our custom API-based system. We connect Ahrefs with Google Search Console, Google Analytics, YouTube, our headless WordPress publishing system, affiliate information, content approvals, and other operational data. And that gave us much more control. But it took serious engineering work. The easiest way to explain the difference is this. With our API approach, we own the factory. With Letaido, we rent a factory Ahrefs has already equipped for marketing work. A technical team may prefer Claude, Codex, MCP connections, or direct APIs. But a marketer may prefer typing one sentence, answering a few guided questions, and receiving a working report without opening a code editor. So who should consider it? Teams that already use Ahrefs regularly, SEO consultants and small agencies, content teams with repeated reporting or research tasks, and marketers who want automations and dashboards without managing their own infrastructure. It may be less necessary if you only run occasional SEO checks, or if your company already has developers or data pipelines and a mature internal marketing platform. And regardless of your setup, I would not recommend allowing an agent to update or publish important content without review. Letaido did what I hoped an Ahrefs AI agent would do. So it took one vague request, asked a better question, pulled real data, created a prioritized analysis, and served it as something our team could continue using. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm challenging myself to create more videos like this, to learn these new skills so I can share with you. Feisworld recently, as of 2026, has gone through a tremendous amount of upgrades and changes on our website. I think now, more so than ever, is the time to share our learnings, and I hope you will share yours with us as well.